Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing the last installment of my daily plan with me, and today I'll be planning for the day of Sunday, September 16th, 2018. Just gonna get started because it's gonna be a pretty easy day. The inserts I'm currently using are my Peanuts Planner Co. And those are printables. But these in particular are actually the freebies that you can get via her Facebook group. So I highly recommend you join that group. So first things first, I'm going to put this down here just to add a little bit of width to it to make it easier to write on. And then I will be putting in my Simply Gilded washi, and it's white with the gold bows, and I've just been using this all week. So there we go. There we go. Kind of lift that up. I'm going to be relatively quick as I have things that need to be done. There we go, perfect. So now that that's there, I'm going to be putting down my date dots, and this is just what I have left from the kit. Let's zoom out a little bit. Oh my gosh, sorry. So I'll just put that down right here. So as I said before, it is the 16th, and it is Sunday, September, and then we'll put 2018. I'm just using a Uniball Signal, and this is the 0.7. Oh my goodness, what is going on? All right, sorry about that. So yeah, so I'm just using Uniball Signal. So today is going to be a bit easier because we accomplished quite a bit of things on the weekend, yesterday. So I'm going to put my water truck down. Oh my goodness. As you can hear, someone's very excited to be having popcorn today. I'm going to use oh, screw it. No, I don't want to use that. I want to use the ruby, and I'm going to tell you why. We are watching Harry Potter today, and I could easily use the goldenrod, because that would be like Hufflepuff, but I am actually a Gryffindor. So I want to use that, and that's what I'm going to use. So we've been watching the Harry Potter movies for the last couple of weeks, I could say. But actually, yeah, so that's what we're doing. That makes no sense. But I want that because I'm a Gryffindor, so I'm going to use that one. We're just watching the last 3 today. I'm actually going to use a full box, and this is the full box I'm going to use. I'm going to put that down there. Put that there. And I think I'm going to put a glitter header over, because I really like the glitter headers. And it's not even. That's fine. I put it too far there. All right, so that's there. So today we gonna go out for breakfast. So let's use this one. It's a place called Poached, and that's brand new to us. There we go. Yep, that's fine. And then after that, to Do I have a red pen? Yeah, so I'm just going to use this mild liner here. And I'm going to do from 10 to 12 to 1. We were out, and that was at, am I still in there? Yeah, it's fine. We were at down. Okie dokie. And then that's from then afterwards. We didn't have to do any, what do you call it? Any chores or whatever. Everything's done. So I'm gonna use the movie marquee. And from then on, oh, wait, come on, come on, come on. Aha, got it. I'm gonna put, oops, from then on, Harry Potter. And then I'm gonna put a Penny Potter sticker down, I think. Oops, I'm just gonna grab my drawer here. Oh, and I bet that doesn't look very well on camera. So I'm just gonna zoom out. I'm gonna scroll through them. I should probably flip them over. Oh, I guess it doesn't matter if I scroll through them. Where's my Penny Potter? Aha, there it is. I'm gonna put the tiny one right there. Perfect. Okay. And I don't think I need to do anything else. I think I'll put fold laundry. So maybe I'll do a to-do. Oh, just put that back. I think I'll do a to-do header. Oh, yeah, here we go. Actually, I'll do a little thing. Because I'm not bothered. Probably do it whilst I watch. Oh. There we go. What the heck? There we go. And then I'll do edit. There we go. I'll just put it there for now. And then for dinner, I wanted to, what was I doing? Chai. Oh no, what was it called? This. I think I just spelled it wrong. No, Asian. Fish. Parcels. Yeah, that's fine with me. And I'm gonna write Harry and then, oh no, I have to put it away. I'm gonna use big Harry Potter there. Where did I put it? Aha. Here's the big one. Yes. Believe in magic. There we go. And I think I'll do a little bit of decorations because that's really the max of my day. So let's grab some decorations out. If I can find it. Uh-oh. What are my decorations? Oh, geez, it's at the top. Goodness gracious me. Okay, so let me just zoom back in a little bit. Whoops. So put it right at the top. I'll put, oh, the butterfly. Beautiful, beautiful. Perfect. Then, let's see. I think right here, I'm going to put this leaf here. Yeah, I'm okay with that. I'm going to put something here. I think I'll put this one. Every time. Come on. Got it. Kind of have to make a thing. Yeah, put that. Whoops. Kind of ruined the sticker, but I think I'm gonna put something, maybe a butterfly right there. Oh, no. Maybe that butterfly. Yeah. Got it. Kind of scrumpled it a bit. And that's it, actually. Alright, I'm happy with that because, again, nothing too big today, but still things to do. So I'm just going to pop that right back in. And as I stated previously and earlier in my other ones, this is actually in my personal ring size from FoxyFix. And the kit I was using was, I'll show you. Sabine, Elise designed, and this is the Hello Autumn and the Deluxe kit. And that's everything. There we go. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. And I shall see you next time. Bye.